Do you want to know how to correctly draw support and resistance levels like a pro and become a profitable trader? Welcome to the Profitable Traders, and in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly draw support and resistance levels, the criteria used when drawing support and resistance levels, and how to use support and resistance to predict the market coming up. Thanks a lot guys for the love and support that you've shown to my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll put the link in the description below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I come up with new videos. With that being said, support is an area where the falling price is rejected, and resistance is an area where the rising price is rejected. Criteria used to identify strong support and resistance levels. 1. The level should be a swing high or a swing low. 2. The level should have multiple rejections. 3. The level should have acted as support and resistance in the past. Finally, 4. The level should have been recently formed. So let's look at the first example. This was swing high. The highest level price has been rejected, and the swing low, the lowest level of price has been rejected. This would be our resistance at the swing high and support at the swing low. Same example, resistance, support. Example number 2, the level should have multiple rejections. Can you spot a level with multiple rejections? We have this first rejection, second rejection, and the third rejection. So we bring our resistance level here like this, like a zone. So this a zone. So this would be our level with multiple rejections. Another level with multiple rejections. Yep, see it right here. This is another level with multiple rejections. Another level with multiple rejections. Draw your resistance. We have a level with multiple rejections, support here. We have a level. Yeah, and that's the example of a level with multiple rejections. So the price came all the way down here, got rejected here, rallies up, and came back to the same price, got rejected and went up. So this is a level you have to look at when drawing your support level. Also, this is a level with multiple rejections here. This is a powerful level as well. The third example is when the level has acted as support and resistance. So we have this level here. So this level here has acted as resistance, and support here. So this is another powerful level you have to draw your support. Another level which has acted as support and resistance in the past. We have resistance here, and support here. And finally is when the level or structure is being recently formed. We have a market that was in a downtrend, rallies up, then continued in a downtrend. So the recently formed structure is this level here. So this is a good place to put your resistance. Same example, we have a market coming down here, rallies up, then came down to break this low here. So this is a level where we put our resistance. How do we use these powerful levels to predict the market? Let's consider a market which is in a downtrend. So you have your impulsive leg and a retracement. Bring your horizontal line and put at the support level here. Put at the support level here. It doesn't have to be exactly at this level, but around that area. And wait for the market to break and close below this support level here. Now when the market comes back to this support level, this is where you look for an entry reason to go short. Let me repeat it. A market is in a downtrend, an impulsive leg, and a retracement. Then when this has happened, put your horizontal line at the support level here and wait for this market to break and close below the support level here. Now when this market comes back to the same level here, this is when you look for an entry reason, and possibly the price may continue down here. Let's say the price closes above this one here, so you wait for it to come back to this level here, look for entry reason and go up. The bullish example would be an impulsive leg, a retracement, then you bring your horizontal line as resistance here and you wait for this market, so up, and you wait for this market to close above this level, wait for it to come back to the level and look for an entry reason, and you expect it to go up. Or if it comes to this level and closes below this level, you wait for the price to come back to this level, look for an entry reason and come down. Let's go and look for these examples on the charts here. We have a market which came down here, retraces back up here and closes below this level here. So what you would do, bring your horizontal line at the support level and wait for the market to retest this level here, and to retest this level, wait for your entry reason and go down here. The same thing with the bullish example. We have a price that went all the way up here, retraces back here and close above this structure. So what you do here, you wait for the market to come back and retest this level here and expect the market to go to the upside. So this is how you would use support and resistance to predict the market.